Go.
I gotta wait for him to Kayla wants.
Do it again.
Baby, you have to watch this.
Get Pop on Knuckles. Roxy, stop. Roxy. Give him Knuckles. Jace. Roxy, shut up.
He was doing that the other day with me. Well, he didn't do that.
Do it. Give him
He's
Knuckles.
sticking it out.
Roxy.
Roxy, what are you doing?
Stop.
She afraid
Hi, boo-boo.
Give him food. She won't.
What's he doing? You got pizza face.
Oh, I looked over and he was looking at me going.
Babe. Give him.
He knows. So he started putting it in his mouth and he stuck it like out there.
Chase, you're so goofy.
Was that a power one?
The Go-Go Power Rangers.
Let him feed you something funny.
You are filthy with pizza.